You got a 2025 BMW X5 key fob. This is how you open this to replace the battery. Flip it over. Notice that there's a button right here that we're going to push, and we need to hold it down, okay? We're going to take off this silver trim here. We're going to pull up on it and then pull it off, okay? So go ahead and push, pull up, and then the trim will come right off, all right? And once you have it off, don't lose it. We're going to look right here. The battery's located in this compartment right here, okay? You can use your nail and pull the front little door piece off of it, okay? It's actually going to hold the battery. It's kind of like a cartridge, I guess. But you can pull it down like this. And you're going to want to put your thumb underneath it because the battery can just fall out of it. And flip it over. And here's our battery, okay? I'll show you what size it is. Battery size is a CR2032 battery. Positive sign will be facing down where you can't read it anymore in the holder, and then we're going to turn it back over like this. Now if you need one of these batteries, I will have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up. You just put it back into the key fob, slide it in like that, and then you just get the trim, and it goes back on here like this, and slide it back down. It should lock, okay? Should lock. There you go. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could.